Cost of poor quality is a major cost driver for manufacturing and could be as high as 30 to 40% of their revenues. Manual inspection is error-prone and leads to bad quality products reaching end customers. Augur AI's optics first AI-enabled vision systems is a complete system with optics, artificial intelligence, and automation. It's a robust vision system that ensures no defect leaves the factory.
A lot of manufacturers are facing problems with the productivity, and we have brought out Industry 4.0 solution, which focuses on KPI monitoring. KPIs such as OEE, predictive maintenance, productivity, downtime monitoring, machine health, parameters of power, cost per unit. Such parameters and such KPIs are being monitored by Autobits in real time. And based on the KPIs, we are able to generate predictive and prescriptive maintenance patterns, MIS reports, dashboards, alerts on the mobile application on the go.
For Indian manufacturers, we found that the last mile data capture is typically very inefficient, and data storage systems tend to be very siloed, which means that the digital version of factories is usually not in sync with the actual status of work on the shop floor. This significantly reduces efficiency. It impacts real-time visibility, decision-making, manufacturing intelligence, as well as the potential for generating an ROI from any type of higher value solution that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning. To help all types of manufacturers begin their digitization journey, we've combined it with an inbuilt report builder, a companion mobile app for data logging, and the capability to connect to multiple sources of data in a factory. DataViz enables users to log, access, and interact with factory data through highly customizable reports and dashboards that update in real time. We wanted to make it a really simple platform. It's plug and play. It helps increase productivity and visibility, and it does this through better worker engagement, collaboration, job satisfaction, while also unlocking the potential for AI ML-driven manufacturing intelligence.
We provide automated defect detections for manufacturing using our AI-powered digital eyes and digital ears. Digital eyes-based vision tier for non-contact visual inspection, and digital ears-based acoustic tier for non-intrusive inspection using sound. We have inspected over 6 million vehicles in moving production line with 99.88% accuracy.
NASSCOM COE for AI and IoT out of IIT Gandhinagar has been instrumental in getting us going with our visual inspection solution for manufacturing. Joining the GoX Accelerator has been one of the best decisions we took. The entire team of NASSCOM COE has been hand-holding us during our journey and have provided valuable mentorship. NASSCOM's team has guided us in every aspect, including go-to-market strategy, pricing, industry connects, paid pilots, networking, and engagement opportunities. Their technical inputs have helped us sharpen our pitches and technical proposals.
We've been helped by NASSCOM in going through the Digital Manufacturing Champions program. We've developed a lot of case studies with the help of the team. And whenever we want, wherever we want, the team has always helped us in making a strategy for marketing or guidance on scaling our operations and our business. And every time it is like when we call, they're like, this is your target, you have to reach here. And then we make that as a target and we make it a point to grow there.
When we were looking at interacting with industry leaders to validate our hypothesis and our solution during the POC stage of our development, we had a lot of interaction with the industry because of connects with NASSCOM. When we were looking at, one of our customers had asked us to do a security audit, and we didn't know, this was the first time we asked for this requirement as a startup. And so I called NASSCOM and they immediately gave me a couple of vendors who could help us with such a requirement. On another level, it's also been very inspirational for us to see the work that NASSCOM is doing, because we do see the impact that it's having on such a core sector of the economy. And it's inspiring for us to continue building in this area, being associated with NASSCOM and watching the work that the entire team has been doing and the impact they've been having.
We got very good mentorship and guidance from Amit Saruja sir. We also participated in manufacturing innovation challenges, which gave us the required visibility which every startup vies for, and the guidance from Amit Saluja sir in terms of pricing our product right helped us win 4 orders from Honda two-wheelers. All in all, I would say that the typical what startups look for, investors, customers, and visibility, I think NASSCOM provides all that on their platform, and they have a very good ecosystem. I would really recommend all these startups to find ways to be part of NASSCOM to put their startup on growth journey.